Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you or teach you Noota.io. It's an AI powered meeting assistant for your meetings. So you're going to be able to generate meeting notes automatically using this platform. So no need to actually do some notes during meetings. So if you're ready, let's get started. So Noota is actually one of the tools that was previously an AppSumo. It's gone through several changes already. Unlike the other platforms that have shut down, Noota has increased their business. They've been targeting companies in HR. In their landing page, there's actually a few different use cases here for in-person and hybrid meetings. So they're saying they're compliant with this different frameworks like ISO 27001, HIPAA compliant, etc. So you can actually use their web application or their desktop applications on Windows or Mac. So once you're logged in, you can actually go to your homepage. So in your homepage, you'll be able to have a recap of all your meetings, a recap of all your integrations. So the first thing that you need to configure inside your account is your meeting preferences. So you must set your meeting assistant if it joins automatically, the default language. So what type of recording, if it's a shared screen or the gallery view. So if it would join at a specific time, so maybe same time, and then if meeting rules, all meetings or only external meetings, and if will block capture when the event titles contains sensitive, confidential, or capture only when the title is interview, etc. So you can name your meeting assistant. I name this mine. So the picture also as well. Then the recording consent. So there's can be a disclaimer when it joins the meeting and then shows the full name of participants. So this one, it anonymizes the participants in transcripts and summaries. So you can actually turn that on and then show recording disclaimer. Okay, so you can record the audio and the video settings when recording with a desktop app, and then meeting reminder emails as well as sharing, so that you can integrate it with your number. You can download the mobile app on App Store or Google Play. They also have a Chrome extension. Can request for a dedicated number from the Noota team, as well as there's an incoming voicemail feature. Integrations, I've integrated it with Outlook as well as NAT ATS, application tracking systems, with my CRM, and then you can integrate with Gmail or Outlook email for sending emails via the platform with your notes in Notion, in OneNote or OneDrive, calls, as well as email after meetings or Zapier. Also, you can customize where you'll receive your uh, meeting notifications or updates via email or Noota only. So we can apply for each meeting a meeting template. Right now, mine is configured as generic. So this one is configured as generic. So as you can see, the meeting template is generic. So you can actually create a template using AI. Just describe it and you can even upload a file or a template or structure. As you can see, there's different pre-made meeting templates already, like generic meetings, what's the automation, the trigger integration. You can have a scorecard, or you can generate clips, generate emails, and then add guidelines. So there could be different meeting templates in here, depending on your needs. So as I said, you can integrate Google or Outlook for your emails, as well as there's a contact call feature inside Noota. They have a built-in AI agent as well. So you can explore all their agents. You can create your own agent from a prompt, as well as basically, for example, in this meeting, you'll be able to view this meeting notes, and you can download or share it for a private share or a link. You can have a public link as well. So right now everything is in private, so it's all within my account. So the way you'll be able to join is via the automatic joining on the integration. Once you have a scheduled meeting, the assistant will automatically join on time or a few minutes. That's why in the settings, you can have the meeting assistant join at the same time or other minutes in here. So if you have an existing meeting, just click on this plus icon. You can do an online meeting, or you can upload your meeting file in here to generate those meeting minutes or a live recording. So if it's a planned meeting, so you can add the Noota assistant in here. This would be the email address, notes@noota.io, for planned meetings. And of course, if you have a meeting link, you can just paste it over here. So that's it for the features of Noota. I hope you find this short tutorial useful, and see you in the next one.